Hi, I'm Richard.
I'm Brenda, and welcome to Managing Change.
This course is not about change for the sake of change. We look to make a difference. Change is all about achieving what we set out to do. What separates failure from success in this world is the ability to make a difference. And this doesn't just happen through fortune or accident. It takes both discipline and a lot of creativity.
After this course, you'll never look at change management the same way again.
We'll be using imagery, stories, film, and art to capture the human dimension of change.
The journey will be rich and colorful. You'll learn to navigate icebergs, enjoy roller coaster rides, and be an all-star player despite the slow playing field.
The outcomes could be life-changing. You'll learn to step out from behind your mask, act like a leader, and get things done.
In the coming weeks, you'll learn to reimagine change and reinvent yourself to help you achieve your goals, whether you're an experienced manager or early in your career. You'll be introduced to managing change as the discipline of influencing yourself and others to achieve a purpose.
Week 1 introduces you to the change problem, and you'll discover the importance of stepping outside the box of conventional change management practices. Week 2 explores the rich imagery and stories of change as well as your role in it. We'll draw on these to help you reimagine change and reinvent yourself.
Week 3 marks the first of 3 weeks on the cycle of change, our iterative framework. We start by planning or mapping your journey and building a GPS. Week 4 is about getting it done, so you'll learn about the masks to wear and the performances you'll need to deliver. Week 5 closes the cycle of change. We'll spend time on reflecting and learning with the multiple use of mirrors.
And week 6 is all about you. In the leadership of change, we show you how to be mindful of the gaps you'll face and how to mobilize the energy and resources to overcome them.
Throughout the weeks, we make an effort to connect with your head, the rational you, your heart, your emotions, and your hands, your ability, so you can put into practice what you've learned immediately.
So get ready for the fun and join us in the excitement of a new way of thinking about change.